See here, now we'll configure here a dynamic NAT. So for that, before whichever configured here, we'll remove that. Show running configuration. Earlier we did static NAT. Show show running configuration. First, we'll remove the entire thing for this static. We are removing our static NAT and show running configuration. Now try to ping. It is not reachable. Now how we'll create this dynamic NAT? Config terminal. First, we'll create the one ACL pool access control list, whichever we have the IP addresses for that access control list 10, and we have to permit those IP addresses, and the range is started from 192.168.10.0 and give the wildcard mask 0.0.0.255. Yes, hit enter and now create the pool IP NAT, then with the question mark NAT pool and give any name. That pool is now dynamic NAT pool. I'll give the dy NAT and give the question mark from starting ranges. For this starting ranges, that is we have to give the whichever we created the range of public IP addresses, those the range we should have to give the range. 1.1.1. will give the range is only at limited range at /30 value. In that /30 we have the ranges from in /30 only 4 IP addresses we have, and that -2 we have only the 2 valid IP addresses, and that valid IP addresses they will get for 2 PCs only. So we'll create the pool is /30 pool. The reason behind after we will get that why I am creating 2 pools only. The end range is 100.1.1. And the range 3. The starting range is 0 and 3 is the network ID and this is a broadcast ID, and we'll get IP addresses 2 only in this range. And net mask is 255.255.255. and 252. A subnet mask of 30 values, same thing. And we'll have created one pool and we created one ACL 10 and NAT dy NAT, dynamic NAT we created. We'll apply that NAT now. IP NAT, how will applying from inside and from where source is our list we created whichever. If you are giving the static, just now we did, and now we are configuring dynamically. So we have to take list, and the list is 10, access list is 10, and which pool I have created, dy underscore NAT. Make sure same thing you have to give dy NAT, sorry, NAT DNAT is done. And inside, for this interface, earlier we did inside and outside. IP NAT inside, IP NAT outside. We configured those things. We'll verify. So running configuration. See, we configured IP NAT. It's outside interface and IP NAT inside interface. Earlier we did. Now we created one access list 10. The range is 192.168.0.2. This much range. In this range, 255 IP addresses are available. For this is a host bit and host bit is on. And we created the range of NAT. Now we'll verify it earlier. No, we earlier see the continuous ping was happening. We did earlier. Now try to get from this. We'll try to ping. Yes, we are getting. Now try to communicate for this. We'll configure ping test. We'll do ping test. 150.1.1.10. We have not pinging because already busy with two PCs. Verify with ping command. Otherwise, you can verify from here also. So IP NAT translation. In that pool, how many IP addresses are available? That many PCs only will get. See here, continuous ping is happening, and those PCs we are getting the reply. 1 and 2. See here, 1 and 2. Some other PC are see. For this PC and this PC, both are getting. PC 40 and PC 10. 192.168. Continuous ping has happening with these two PCs only. 192.168, 10.10 and 10.40. If you are trying to ping for other PC, we are not getting. -T. If you want to check these things, continuous ping will stop for this PC. Now we'll check. Wait for a while. Clear IP NAT translation star. No, show NAT. See, for this PC 30, now we are getting. Now verify from here also. Yes, we can able to ping. Now try to ping for this through this. No, we have not. What I am verifying here, I am trying to explain here. We configured in this pool only I have assigned two IP addresses. Show running configuration pipe section NAT. In this subnet mask, only two IP addresses are valid IP addresses. That is the reason two IP address, they are continuously pinging. But if you are trying to communicate with the help of another PC, we cannot reach to internet. We cannot reach to internet. If because these are the already translated. This PC and this PC are already translated. If you are trying to ping from this PC also, it won't work. Ping 150.1.1.20 continuous ping will do minus D will stop for this. Control C and for this also, and check here. Will clear it. IP NAT translation clear. IP NAT translation star 40 10.40 for this PC and 10.20 continuous ping is happening. 20 is 40. Now try to this. No, we cannot reach because busy with two IP addresses. If you have multiple PCs, like if you are as in theoretical, we discuss 255 PC addresses are there. If we have the 300 users, for that 45 are waiting list. Here I configure two PCs only. That is the small example of here. I hope everyone got it. What I'm trying to explain it. What is the reason behind the NAT of dynamic NAT? If we have how much pools we created, that many only they'll get 1-to-1 mapping only here also 1-to-1 map. But dynamically they'll get the IP address. Statically here we are not giving the 1-to-1. Yes or no? Guys,
Yes.